Buenos días, bienvenidos. Nada más estamos anunciando que tenemos interpretación en el idioma de español y vamos a estar dando los audífonos, ¿verdad? Al mano izquierda. Por favor, pasen. Aquí estamos en mano izquierda, en la mesa a su izquierda. Gracias.
Sorry.
Do you have a program? Thank you. Do you have a program?
Time of the year.
I can get a bunch of you fixed, vaccinated, the whole 9 yards, ready to go.
You got the whole selection.
I do. I can have you come and look at the whole selection.
I'll call you. I have a lot of reasons to call you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, you see. Did you find a seat?
I don't care.
I don't even know.
I sit down with it.
Oh my goodness, thank you for coming. Okay, I'll let them meet after. Okay. Thank you. What's up? Yeah, right here. So, Superintendent O'Brien, good morning. Really fantastic. Voila. Voila. Board President, Harinder, they're doing their own thing. Advanced performance. English speaking student will introduce you.
And then there's my speech.
Then you have your speech.
So I moved a couple of people.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm not doing any of that today. I'm going to stand
Yep.
over here.
I'll do it. Family, Jaswant Singh Khalara's family. Somebody.
That would be you.
Do you have that list?
Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna write it down on the back. But we're not starting at 9 a.m.
Okay, but just real quick. Kind of people that like that we need to.
I'm gonna write that list for you. I didn't get it printed, and then it'll be quick because most of them they have
Back to this. I have a pen.
want to make an announcement to tell
do that in
people?
just a minute.
Okay, they were asking me to ask
Thank you.
so.
Just like any assigned seating, or can we just say
Feel free to sit anywhere, just not You let me know. I have my radio.
Okay. What performance is first?
Punjab.
Okay. Thank you. Up 10.
Okay, let's go through the board members. Because I do want to mention my executive team.
Oh, I don't know.
Are they going to do the ribbon cutting?
Right where that is, that's the ribbon cutting.
And office of the assembly, I'm going to say member, representative, assembly member, representative.
Representative
No,
from.
but representatives from Assembly, also from Assembly from Esmeralda, Korea, Sheriff Johnsononi is here, City Council of
Fresno City. Fresno City.
As far as the vice mayor.
Yeah.
We did push.
You're gonna have to call them to order because they won't do it by themselves.
Waiting for Ole.
Okay.
So it should be about another 5 minutes, and then we'll get going.
Okay.
Quick question, maybe lock on car.
Everybody lost.
No, but what you say that she's the other
The front row. Do you know if this is the family that just went? Yeah. This is the family. Just these three? Yeah. Okay, because that's where I'm gonna have to. Yeah.
And then, do you think the board members are okay if I ask them to stand and wait?
Yeah.
And all of these people just to stand. I say, if you hold your phone up, I'll ask all of you to stand.
I think everyone's gonna be held late. Congratulations. थोड़ा आगे आओ थोड़ा आगे आओ सारे थल्ले आ जाओ सारे थल्ले आ जाओ send you the picture where it all started. भाई मिल गया मेरे नहीं मिस होते
Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me get her over here. Okay, hold on. साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ wait ਸਾਰਿਆਂ Okay, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ wait ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ what? ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ I don't know like ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ Yes.
We can just have them say welcome to Jaswant Singh Khalara.
Okay. I think she's got it. She's okay. Hold on. सारे वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ
We can find the scissors. Let's get started.
ceremony Name Central Unified
The script real quick.
Jaswant Manor. Yeah. That's good. You got it? Yeah. No, I got scared. They have to oh, she just asked, she's like, do you want to represent me? Right. Okay. Community? And I was like, shit. And then, okay. And then I
gotta leave.
And now they're going to say welcome. And they're matching the grade and everything. Good, how are you? Sad, how nice.
For that introduction, your confidence in me in the future.
I don't. Yes, I have. Make sure when you say Jaswant Singh Khalara, you say Jaswant Singh Khalara. Yeah, I'm going to give it a minute. Okay, nomás bienvenidos a la escuela de Jaswant Singh Khalara. Así se llama la escuela. Jaswant Singh Khalara. I got it. Okay. Okay, they got it.
You got it? Okay. Thank you so much. You guys are going to do great. You guys are going to do great, okay?
And then we can I got it.
What I'm going to
Got it? Yeah.
Are you comfortable doing that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you hold on to that. Okay?
Jonathan, we also have these two students.
Okay.
Good morning. Okay. Okay. Jonathan. Hello. What time are we going to get started? Because I'll have to. Okay. Sounds good. That's all, yeah.
So, front row seating for you on the side.
Are they announcing?
Photo ops on the side after the show.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So good to see you. A la escuela.
I do not. My car's literally right there. I can get it. Here's a pen.
Huh?
Pen.
I don't have one.
Bienvenidos a la escuela de Jaswant Singh Khalara. Ok, hay que decirlo juntas, más recio, ok? Bienvenidos a la escuela de
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna start right now.
Good, good. Munson is here. Do we have a seat for her?
Test. There's a seat for her. Just have her sit. Yeah. There should be a seat for her.
Let me see if I can get another one of the foundation chairs for Serena.
What?
We're working with you to make sure your mic's. Can I write it down right now?
Test.
I'm just going to write it down really quick.
Good morning, everyone. Please make your way to your seats as our program will begin in the next few moments. Again, please find your seats as we will begin momentarily.
Remember when you talk in the microphone, project your voice. It's going to pick you up. If I turn it up too much, then get that feedback down. Straight stand tall. Talk strong.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay.
Wow, it's just sunny here. Isn't it? Can I see? Wow.
Do you want the sunglasses?
I know, I can't. Let me just see, can I turn it that way? Ooh.
Yeah, there was no way we could have put a can in here.
Okay, I'm gonna be like squinty. Yeah, and I can't move. Okay, I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah, you can move it down a little bit.
Just have her move it from the base part, not this top part. Yeah, so like you can move it up and down this way. I don't want to mess with their cable off at this part too much, so if you're just using it from the base, it should be fine. All right? Good job, Tony.
Thank you so much.
once it's their turn, you just want me to come up here
Yes,
and
basically.
just put it
Just
down.
move with the base. Just right here. And you just let me know when you're ready, okay? And
Okay.
This is gonna be their script.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah. So where are we starting? Like, who's gonna be?
So we have the English student, the director.
Yeah.
Test. Test.
Okay. So get nervous. It's right here. Okay. Okay. You want to put your finger, and then just start. Yes, we're waiting.
Welcome to the ribbon cutting ceremony for Central Unified's newest campus, Jaswant Singh.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ
Jaswant Singh Khalara.
ਖੜੇ ਹੋ Pledge of Allegiance ਲਈ. Now, we would like to welcome Central Unified's Punjabi student dance group.
ribbon cutting ceremony for Jaswant Singh Khalara Elementary School, the first school in the United States to be named after a Sikh Punjabi human rights activist. So before I go on, I want to take a moment to BK that envisioned this school when it was still just an idea, and especially to Robert Uribe, who helped shape that vision into something extraordinary. I also want to express our deep gratitude to our Board of Trustees, who championed the vision to name our newest school after a man who will be a source of inspiration for generations to students who will walk these halls. I'd like a round of applause. Our facilities team, John Rodriguez, have been at the school site ensuring this building was constructed to the highest quality standards so that our educators and our students have a space that promotes the highest level of academic achievement. And of course, to the families of Central Unified who voted to pass the measure on dollars. Without you, it would not to support our growing school district. So we have many people here today, but I would like to invite and be recognized as I introduce you. So first and foremost, it's my great honor to introduce the Jaswant Singh Khalara. I'd like to ask you to stand and turn and be acknowledged by our guests here today. We have his wife and his daughter here in their. Thank you for being here, and what a great honor for your husband and father. I would also like to introduce the Central Unified School Board. They're over here. I'd like them to stand and maybe we hold the applause. With our President, Nandeep Singh Chan, Vice President Yesenia Carrillo, we have our Clerk Nabil Kirfan, and members. We have Jaspreet Sidhu, we have Carla Kirk, Natalie Chavez, and Jaspreet Sellers over there in the corner. Joshua Sellers. A huge achievement for our Board of Trustees. I'd also like to introduce our incoming superintendent, Dr. Mark E. Marshall, who's here today. And I'd like our district administrators to stand, please, over there. Dr. Marilyn Lopez. We have our interim superintendent, Kuljit Kaur, the Kuljit Man for Human Resources, and our executive services CBO, Mr. Amir Iqbal. And somewhere in this crowd, we have our area administrator, Mr. Mark Fowler, who oversaw this whole, there he is over there, this whole event. We have representatives from a number of offices from around the state. We have representatives from the office of Senator Adam Schiff. We have representatives from the office of Governor Gavin Newsom. Also from the office of the California State Senator Ana Caballero. Also from Assembly Member Joaquin Arambula, Assembly Member Esmeralda Soria, and also our County Chief, and I'd like And locally, we have representatives from our Fresno City Council offices of Annalisa Perea, Miguel Arias, and Nelson Garza. And traveling a long distance from Bakersfield today, we have the Vice Mayor of Bakersfield, Manpreet Kaur. So the name of this school, and isn't it a beautiful school? It's a testament and a daily reminder of the power of perseverance and the strength of humanity. We to celebrate a school named after a man whose courage and conviction changed the dialogue surrounding human rights history. Jaswant Singh Khalara stood up for justice even when it cost him everything. Today, his name stands on a school, a place of learning, exploration, and purpose, where children will grow not only in knowledge, but in compassion and moral clarity. Within our greater Fresno area, where our refuge to the rich cultural and historical influences that continue to transform and inspire our neighborhoods, our community centers, and our gathering spaces. And to our students who will be attending Jaswant Singh Khalara Elementary next year, I want you to remember what I tell you today on this very special occasion. Children, because it is a school that is named after Jaswant Singh Khalara. He was very courageous and didn't shy away from doing the right thing. In fact, you will learn how he bravely faced enormous challenges and didn't take the easy way out, even when it was offered to him. He cared deeply about his community. He stood up for those who couldn't represent themselves. He truly was an inspiring person whose name is on the building where you will spend hours, days, and years learning how to be a good human being, just like him. And through you, and at this time, I'm going to let our president, board president, Mandeep Singh Chand, explain what this is.
On behalf of Central Unified School District, we wish to present a key to the Khalara Babar to the Khalara family. It says a key to Jaswant Singh Khalara Elementary, presented to the family of Jaswant Singh Khalara in recognition of this historic occasion, June 26, 2025.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to give you wow. Congratulations. And at this time, I would like to introduce someone who probably needs no introduction, a person who helped shape the name of this school, Central Unified's board president, Mandeep Singh Chand.
Good morning, buenos dias, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Before I start, I just make sure to really center the people that this community are going to be the leaders shaping superintendent who's been so integral in this process, Dr. Emer O'Brien, to just take one more stand and just make sure the community knows exactly who. We are so excited. I'm going to ask Dr. Mark Marshall, our incoming superintendent, beginning next week, to just take a stand and make sure that everyone knows this is the person we're going to be talking to. A little bit in the back, I'm going to ask Area Administrator Mark Fowler to wave again so people know who they should be looking for with questions with regards to school. And while he'll be sharing a little bit later, I want Principal Raul Diaz to also be kind of seen and recognized as well. And while we acknowledged the Board of Trustees earlier, I also want the community to know Gur Pratap Singh Gariwal. The board has chosen our first student trustee, and I want him to be sort of seated and recognized. Distinguished guests, educators, students, family, Saad Sangat, Khalara Parvar, and members of the Central Unified Committee. Today, we are not merely cutting a ribbon to a school building. Today, we are opening the doors to a legacy built on courage, truth, human rights, and enduring strength of community. We gather here to honor a name, Jaswant Singh Khalara, but even more, we gather to celebrate our community of education and uplift a message that echoes from the fields of the Punjab to the mountains of Oaxaca to here to the streets of Fresno. A message that says every life matters, every voice counts, and silence in the face of injustice is not an option. In 1995, Jaswant Singh Khalara, a bank director turned human rights activist, was abducted, tortured, and killed by the very forces he tried to hold accountable. His crime, uncovering and speaking the truth about thousands of disappeared Sikhs during the dark period of 1984 and beyond. But he left us with these immortal words. "Je rakhe hi pakhari ban jaan, ta rakha kaun karega?" If the protectors become the perpetrators, who will protect the people? And so, it is not just a name we remember today. It is a question, it is a calling that we pass down to every child who will walk down these halls. This school, this beacon, is the first public school in the United States named after a Punjabi Sikh, a man of conscience, but it tells every child, whether you are Black, Latino, Punjabi, Hmong, white, indigenous, that you belong. Your story matters, your histories matter, your struggles matter. Your dream will be nourished here. This is not meant to be just a Punjabi celebration. This is an American celebration. Because Jaswant Singh Khalara's struggle was not for one faith, it was not for one language, it was not for one region. It was for the human spirit. And what better lesson can we teach our young scholars that will be walking down these halls than that? The school will excel in writing, in reading, and in math, yes. But we will also teach character. Let us tell the children, speak when even your voice trembles, stand even when your knees shake, love even when the world forgets how. Kadi bhi sach nu na chhaddo, kyunki sach khud Rab hunda hai. Never let go of the truth, because truth itself is divine. As a proud member of this Board of Trustees that have continued to impress me, a partner with this group of administrators that have never shirked responsibilities, and these teachers and staff that are committed to these students, I wish to share, we dedicate the school not only to a man who disappeared, but a light that challenged the darkness, and even today refuses to be extinguished. A torch will now burn in the minds of every student that walks these halls and enters this place. Let this school be a place where knowledge is not just memorized, but questioned. Identity is not just accepted, but celebrated. And history is not just remembered, but made. From this soil, let students rise, doctors, lawyers, nurses, teachers, poets, firefighters, organizers, dreamers, and even builders, all carrying with them the eternal truth. One voice can shake empires, one life can honor millions, one school can change the world. So we're going to invite up, I apologize, our next speaker will be Harinder Kaur, our Central East High School Punjabi instructor.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। मेरा नाम हरिंदर कौर है। मैं सेंट्रल ईस्ट हाई स्कूल, जस्टिन गारजा हाई स्कूल, फ्रेसनो सिटी कॉलेज, मीडिया कम्यूनिटी कॉलेज में बहुत माण दे नाल पंजाबी पढ़ाउंदी हाँ। ते अज उस तो भी किते ज़्यादा माण दे नाल मैं तुहाडे सामने खड़ी हाँ, तुहाडा स्वागत करन दे लई। अज जो एक इतिहास रचिया जा रहा है उसनूं उसदे तुसी गवाह हो इस इतिहास दे, क्योंकि साडे बच्चे सानू पुछदे सन कि साडा इन्ना महान इतिहास है, असी इन्ने वड्डे वड्डे सूरमियां दे वाली वारसियां ते साडा इतिहास इत्थे पढ़ाया क्यों नहीं जाता। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਦਿਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੂਰਮਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬਹਾਦਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਬਣਨ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੋਕ ਸਕਦਾ। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਜਸਵੰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਖਾਲੜਾ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਮਕ ਆ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ 'ਚ ਬਿਆਨ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਉਹ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਸੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਸਾਡੇ ਸੂਰਮੇ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬਹਾਦਰ, ਉਹ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦੀ ਉਸ ਹੌਸਲੇ ਦੀ ਮਿਸਾਲ ਸਨ। ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਕਸੀਕਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਰਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। I always tell them, they tried to bury us, they didn't know we were seeds. So ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਜਸਵੰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਖਾਲੜਾ ਨੇ ਸੱਚ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਉਠਾਈ, ਜਦੋਂ 25,000 ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਰਫਾ ਦਫਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਪਤਾ ਦੱਸਣ ਲਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਖੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਧਮਕੀ ਮਿਲੀ ਕਿ 25,000 ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਅਸੀਂ 25,000 ਇੱਕ ਲਾਸ਼ ਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦੇ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ। ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਉਹ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਬੀਜ ਬੀਜਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੋ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਪੁੰਗਰੇਗਾ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਚਾਨਣ ਮੁਨਾਰਾ ਬਣੇਗਾ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਗੇ, ਸਾਡਾ ਜੋ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਹਨ, ਉਹ ਨਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਤੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਸਿੱਖਣਗੇ ਬਲਕਿ ਸੱਚ ਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਣਾ, ਹੌਸਲਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਿੱਖਣਗੇ। ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਬੋਰਡ ਦਾ, ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫਰੈਸਨੋ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਜਸਵੰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਾਰਕ ਬਣੀ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕਦਮ ਪੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਕੂਲ ਖੜਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਹੁਣ ਹੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੀਲ ਪੱਥਰ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ, ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੀ ਹਨ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕੀ ਹਨ। ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਭਕਾਮਨਾਵਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਭਕਾਮਨਾਵਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ, ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਬਲ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੱਚ ਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਸਿਖਾਉਣ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ, ਸਾਡੀ ਕੌਮ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
I'm honored to stand here as the Central East Area Administrator, given the amazing opportunity and privilege to oversee this fantastic new elementary school and to welcome you all to a school that will have immeasurable impact on the students and this community for generations to come. It's a core belief of mine that schools are more than just a place of learning. They are the literal heartbeat of our neighborhoods and communities, strategically and intentionally designed and placed to reflect the very communities they serve. Jaswant Singh Khalara Elementary School is a powerful example of this belief in action. The naming of this school in honor of Jaswant Singh Khalara, a human rights activist, is deeply personal to students, families, and our community as a whole. His story reflects the spirit and strength of the Punjabi and Sikh communities right here in Fresno. Communities that have helped shape our region whose values of heart. Every time they demonstrate selfless service or dream about their limitless future, they are continuing the work that Jaswant Singh Khalara began, and that is what makes today so meaningful. As the Central East Area Administrator representing this incredible school, I could not be more proud of the leadership team we have in place, led by Principal Raul Diaz and his amazing staff, all of whom are ready to build something truly special. They are not only committed to academic excellence, but to building a school culture that reflects everything the name stands for: courage, character, and community. Without further delay, I'd like to welcome to the podium the first ever Jaswant Singh Khalara Elementary School Principal. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Mark Fowler, for that introduction. Give me 1 sec. Good morning, everyone. My name is Raul Diaz, and I'm incredibly excited and honored to be the first principal of Jaswant Singh Elementary School. What an incredible moment this is, standing here today, looking at all of our students, families, community, and community members, and seeing all of the teachers who will be educating our students, the front office team who will be assisting our families, and support team that will ensure the school is ready for our students every day. I feel a deep sense of gratitude and pride standing here. It is truly my honor to welcome you all to the grand opening of Jaswant Singh Khalara Elementary School. This isn't just a school building, it's a dream come true. A dream built from hopes of families, the hard work of our Board of Trustees, Central Unified staff, and the belief that every child deserves a safe, nurturing place to learn and grow. We are named after Jaswant Singh Khalara, a brave hero who dedicated his life to truth, justice, and the dignity of every human being. He stood up for others, even when it meant standing alone. And that courage, that compassion, that unwavering sense of responsibility is something that I, as the principal, will work every day to pass on to every student who walks through those doors. Our school, thank you. At our school, we will talk about the 3 royal R's, what it means to be respectful, responsible, and resilient. They aren't just words that we're going to say in our daily morning announcements. They are the values that we will live by. They are the foundation of the kind of community that we are building at this school. Respectful means we listen, we learn from each other, we celebrate the many cultures and voices that make our school special. Responsible means we own our choices, we take care of each other, and we know that every action has the power to lift someone up. the playgrounds, they were built for you. You are the heart of this place. You bring the energy, ideas, and the future. We believe in you. Every single one of the students who's here today, we promise to take care of every student, challenge them, and cheer them on. To our staff who's here today, your commitment, your heart, and your love for teaching are what will make this school truly great. To our community, our amazing community, look at this turnout today. This is not only a home for learning, this is our hub of connection. This is what's going to bring us together. Let today be a reminder of what we achieve when we believe in each other. Let this building stand not just as a place of education, but a beacon of equity, inclusion, and where we are proud to be person can make a difference by standing up for what is and now the moment you have all been I can please join me. Dr. O'Brien, Dr. Marshall, and Board of Trustees, please join me. Students, please join me for the ribbon cutting.
Allí murió, sorry. Allí murió, sorry.
ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਚਲੋ ਜਸਵੰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਚਲੋ ਜਸਵੰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ